Verbit Audio Service, Honest Review. Watch before using. In this review, we'll be diving into Verbit's audio service, an AI-powered transcription and captioning solution designed for professionals in various industries. Links to the product are available in the description for those interested. Verbit offers a high degree of accuracy using both AI and human editors to ensure precision, which is a huge benefit for users looking for fast turnaround times with high-quality results. It's ideal for educators, content creators, legal professionals, and media companies who need quick and reliable transcriptions. Verbit's standout feature is its ability to handle large volumes of audio and video files, making it perfect for organizations that deal with ongoing media creation or documentation. One of the key advantages is its ease of integration with various platforms like Zoom, YouTube, and Vimeo, which streamlines the process for users without the need for complex setups. It also supports multiple languages, which broadens its usability globally. However, it's important to note that while the accuracy is impressive, it may not always be perfect, particularly with heavily accented speech or noisy environments. The service is priced higher than some competitors, so it may not be the best fit for casual users or small projects with tight budgets. That said, for businesses and professionals who need fast, accurate transcriptions, Verbit delivers a solid solution. If you're considering using Verbit, it's crucial to weigh the benefits of its professional-grade service against the cost. It's great for users who need high-quality output and can afford the premium. Before you go, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more honest reviews and valuable insights on products and services that can help you make informed decisions.